Because of your unwavering trust, you are undoubtedly the favorite and have incredible things ahead of you, my sweetheart. Set out on an incredible journey to reach heavenly fulfillment. It warms my heart to witness your dedication to taking my lessons to heart and letting them lead your development. In spite of your difficulties, with your constant dedication has aided you in achieving your higher mission. Your willingness to learn new things and your persistent pursuit of non-secular growth has prepared you for extraordinary advantages in those sentences. That, as we embark on this adventure together, communicate to you and express the essence of my boundless love. Hope that this material and video will help you succeed in all that you do. I pray that you will sow the seeds of trust and hope. Your participation improves our plan of action and helps us create a paradise of celestial benefits as a pair. My beloved child, you obtain my insight, which strengthens. Give yourself endless patience so that every action you take strengthens your character and sharpens your judgment. My divine spirit, you can experience the grace of transformation in every area of your life. Embraces you, providing comfort to every aspect of your life. I give you the ability to break free from the bonds of damaging behavior while making sure you reject the allure of previous temptations. Now that you understand the value of kindness, honor, integrity, and honesty, you won't succumb to the allure of lies and rumors. If you maintain a healthy mind and soul via the study of truth and light, you are about to experience a wonderful transformation. And the gifts that will arrive will astound you with their elegance and forgiveness. Others will see the positive changes in you as a result of your newfound soulful weaving journey. The mistakes you made in the past won't define you anymore. These are the start of new opportunities that will benefit you and your family today and in the future. With little sign of a better future in sight, I am paving the way for the path to an entirely new life for you, one free from the shackles of terror and eerie nightmares. But now that your way of life is here, I feel calm and peaceful to make the most of your years, which I have magnificently prepared. I want to know how your heart feels and your spirit acts. With a steady inner vitality, unwavering trust, and the ability to confront a corporation when I call them out is crucial. You will triumph over all obstacles, my sweet little child, for you are endowed with divine strength. Not for making a prophecy or for self-arrest, but for effectively opening opportunities and dismantling limitations placed in your path by people with high of themselves, and their standing in the community will always be degraded whatever befalls them. I implore you to rise above it, endure, take hold of my hand, and start a new era of marvels. Confirm your belief that you are asking for my guidance and require confirmation on your current route. In the first place, I disclose my goals and aspirations to you. Let go of any resentment should be rejected, since I have never abandoned you. Instead, accept my forgiveness and hold on to your keep your distance from people who reject my sincerity and who cling to the idea that they are alone. Not spread to you, and if they decide to reject belief, I swear to always be at your side. I am your father's eye, so please know that I am physically there with you. I have put a lot of thought into this. I have stood by your side through thick and thin, so take a look at this reality. Although you have survived days of turmoil, nights of despair and strife, have you ever clearly lost it? Feel the features of your face in the mirror. Heartbeat, your pure soul, and your independence to choose and act on your own judgment. My love for you is steadfast despite the absence of tangible possessions that have trailed you. I'm by your side now and I always will be. I vow that nothing will ever change. And I am aware that you also treasure this fact. My love for you was there as I was dying on the cross. Enormous and unfathomable said that it had reached the pinnacle of love is an act immortalized in time, so enduring and unwavering that nothing can few people may truly understand its significance, but for those who adhere firmly to my unshakable love, it is the secret of overcoming every obstacle and remaining firm in the face of any tempest. Acknowledge that I have plotted out your journey, my purpose for you is solid. I loved you yesterday. To this, I truly like you now, and I can love you forever. Find comfort in these words. Comfort in my presence, give me your burdens, your faith has remained unwavering, accept my promises, and remain here. I haven't abandoned you at all, I'll be by your side forever. I'm very sorry to see you like this, your father, but you won't find me distant or irritable like I usually. Even if there will be moments when you forget to fly, know that I am always at your side. Since I've decided to accompany you as you explore the hills of your thoughts, what worries you, and why are you resisting accepting lifestyles that provoke these thoughts? Giving up on your future can feel like a cold, heartless decision, especially if you're a teenager. To the experiences life has in store and the people who claim to be your friends only work to trick and mislead you, taking advantage of your innocence and decreasing your smile at Ash and finally killing your motivation to continue. Join me on this adventure if you've lost interest and your belief has weakened. I'll show you in this world, where you are valued beyond measure, you are admired and attired in regal splendor. Respected one moment at a time, your soul is constantly kept vigilant in this consecrated space. You are nourished and strengthened here, just like a young bird discovering food, and you are a cherished child of God, created in God's image. Image, much like the one who created everything. Cling tenaciously to this reality and remember that the most cherished house in the universe is waiting for you in a sacred place. If you ever have any doubts, spot all to yourself. You cannot be forced to leave your rightful place, just as you have found safety in the depths of my beating heart, dearly loved infant. I'd like to have a private talk with you to hear your deepest sentiments and thoughts. I'll reject the whispers of lie even if you think you're not worthy. My sacrifice has brought you salvation, and I declare once more that nothing can separate you from this sacred sanctuary. You are firmly grasped in my heart. My love for you is unbreakable, sweetheart, and no amount of cosmic trembling can ever separate us. I'll be the first to reach out and hold you when you're down and out, no matter how much time passes. I love you. You very much, however, if you make a mistake, my love for you can be lessened. Constantly by your side, even while you're lost, trying to rescue you from the pitfalls that stifle your happiness when you most need it. When you reach out and scream out, I'm always here to listen. I let you into my heart when I see you kneel in front of me, my heart melts and my love surrounds you. As you push through the difficult and grueling path ahead of you during your darkest moments, I knew you long before you were even conceived in your mother's womb. I scheduled your birth, so my light will be the most dazzling. Just wait, and even if you experience something that is out of my control, you can relax knowing that even though my interventions in your life may not seem like blessings because they are all a part of an ambitious plan to support your growth and development, I wish to assist you in achieving new heights. I give you my brilliant sword, and as you say my words, I always aspire for your progress with religion and commitment. Amazing miracles will happen all around you because you are a cherished child of the all-powerful, capable, and deserving of the plans I have for you. Please let go of your self-doubt and perceive yourself as these brave attributes. This reality has been made possible by your acceptance and embrace of my love, which is strong, durable, and effective. Include it and you won't be condemned to failure. Within is the great reward of victory. Beyond these challenges, which you will conquer with unwavering confidence, keep this in mind. No pain or suffering will ever compare to me. Your God has removed all fear from your heart and bravely take on any endeavor. As I observe the excessive wing obstacles you face, the silent tears you shed, and the weariness that hangs over you, I implore you to pay attention attentively and develop a transformative resolve to find me. If you follow my instructions and cling to my teachings, have faith in me and obey my commands, you'll discover that following this route is far simpler if you're religious. You can achieve calmness and serenity by being patient and obedient. Maintaining strict adherence to my principles and commands will make you an unbreakable witness against your adversaries because they will stop spreading lies, slander, and hostility because of the powerful shield I've put around you. I will always shield you from those who would mislead you, so disregard everything that they might say about you. Uncertainty, obey my instructions and let my words cheer you up. And cure your body, putting a stop to stress, worry, restlessness, and anxiety. My energy is all around you and my love for you is boundless as you start this new chapter in your life. After you're free from the burden of your troubles, reward yourself with something lovely. Whatever it is that's hurting you, my love, I want to see you have a life full of happiness, and you've already noticed the difference, and I've arrived to give your loved ones the answer to their prayers. Because I deftly grasp in my hands those who guard me, my dear. I hold celestial guardians in the highest regard within my wondrous design. For your kids, be mindful of their endeavors and aspirations, both during the day and at night. Sleep I paint constantly because you want them to be happy. Plan adjustments to their surroundings that mold their personalities. I also select their triumph so they might live sensibly and emulate me wouldn't. It would be prudent for them to associate with individuals who would divert them from the straight route they should adhere to in order to prevent your kids from getting into arguments or falling victim to scams. I'll thwart some plans. Given my keen observation of the people your kids interact with and their intentions, I can tell that you're concerned about the health, financial security, and urgent needs. I am aware of your worries about your family's security and the items they value most, such as food and shelter, burdening you, but I beg you to continue praying in order to obtain my insight and to put your trust in me because I am the one who will lead you, as Psalm 23 assures you. Give you what you need, heal you, and look after you like a father. I'm happy to answer your questions and hear your recommendations. My advantages are always at your disposal. I've grown disinterested in you and am paralyzed by terror when you witness someone you love faltering or acting in an unflattering manner. Use caution when speaking, keep your cool, and refrain from insulting people you love in their place. Kindly remember them in your prayers, and accept them into my care despite the fact that I actively participate in their lives. It is not your duty to rectify their errors or serve as a mediator in their disputes. You may keep them safe from harm, steer them clear of blunders, and I have placed them at their distance from the world's temptations as a result. Their side never stops praying and fervently asking for anything that you see appropriate from me, my darling. Feel free to relax. Never allow doubt obscure the love that surrounds you, knowing that I'm always here for you. I truly am powerful and present, and I will bring about wonderful happenings in your life. Do you think this to be real and loving in your heart? As a tourist, you should not be able to discern your feelings, and no matter how much time goes by, my love for you has remained constant. I've always been there for you, even when you haven't looked for me. If you need someone, be at my side when you reach out and embrace my love. To rely on someone to uplift and fortify you during trying times, I am here for you, darling. The manner in which my heavenly power creates new lifestyle options that elevate your faith attained a new degree of consciousness and are now able to witness the amazing things I have in store for you. My promises are about to appear before your very eyes. Pay attention to the rumblings in your heart. And prepare yourself for a year filled with boundless advantages. Even though some people lose hope, you will be an inspiration to both yourself and those around you, encouraging them to discover their inner daring and strength. Wonder and marvel as my all-powerful presence plans wonders for your life, turning grief into happiness and challenges become realistic triumph. The individuals closest to you will change, exchanging their problems for joy.